Right, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name's Mark and this is Hitman's Bonsai Journey. Right, today I'm just going to show around my garden what the plants I've got and things like that. Right, let's get on with it. And that's them all in their glory. See, this has got a few candles on it as well, but I can take the middle ones of them out. It's a bit hard with one hand, but this is another white pine as well. Flipping hedge poking through here. So, most of them have got two on them. It's a nice little one. Not looking good for that one, nor for that one, but we persevere. That's my forest. It's coming out lovely. That's me, the latest one. That is the one I planted last year. That's that one there I repotted the other day, and I've got some more down there. They look nice, don't they? That's a Scotch pine. That one there is a Scotch pine as well. And this one's got a load of little flowers on them, see? So I'm just going to leave them ones. That's that mango one I repotted the other day, but look at that. Right, let's go have a look up the garden. These are the plant cherry blossom trees. Load of seed in there, I'm just waiting for them to shoot up. Sure, I better grass, I've got to cut that in a minute. And that is my cherry tree. I'll have loads of cherries on there this year. That greenhouse is coming down. I'll put a potting shed there in the summer. So that's another video coming up. I know my garden looks a bit of a tip at the moment, but it is what it is. That one there, it's coming up nicely. That's me root over rock one. Yeah. I'm a bit stoked about that one. It's coming up lovely. It's climbing up the trellis there. That's what it is. Right, I've pulled this little one out. He's going to live out here for a little while while the summer's here. And I've pulled this one out just to give him a bit of fresh air. Right, like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. Right, see you later. All right, bye.